Jared. Next thing to do is spray this down with a product called Purple Power. It's a great cleaner and degreaser. If you want to degrease it, it says mix it 2 to 1. I put her on full because there's a lot of grease and oil on it. And for the rims and tires, I'll use the no-touch wheel care along with the Purple Power. So once it's all sprayed down, I'm going to spray it with water with the pressure washer. There's a lot of old grime from over the years. You can see where it's been brazed many years ago on the oil pan. So I just want to get all this grease and grime off so I can start doing some cosmetic work to the paint and body work, and hopefully get this tractor looking nice and new.